Hi, this is Andy. You are watching this video because you have decided to learn something about SDGs and air pollution, right? So what are they? SDGs, also known as Sustainable Development Goals, are the 17 goals published by the United Nations to urge the whole world to take actions to save the world by 2030. For example, better healthcare services for patients and doctors, generating cleaner energy to save the earth, reducing car accidents, etc. Air pollution is also one of the goals covered in SDGs, and I assure you that air pollution is certainly closely connected with you after going through today's class. So, the class is to increase your understanding about SDGs and air pollution so that you discover the urgency of these issues and to ask you to take actions now. Before you come to my class, we've prepared something for you that you can have basic knowledge about SDGs and air pollution. The first material is story maps. How do you read it? You can first skim through all the words, video clips, images, and maps in the story map for the first time. For the second time, you read closely and pay attention to every question in each slide. Try to answer them. Remember, when you come to the class, we will ask you guys to present your thoughts on those questions. To get into a deeper discussion, reorganize your thoughts with your classmates and come up with a more solid answer and plan. So you can jot down your thoughts in a piece of paper to help you organize your ideas. If you finish reading the story map, you finished the before class assignment. That's great. Give yourself a round of applause. You are ready for the class. Then let's welcome my partner Vivi to tell you more about what we're going to do in class and after class.
Hi everyone, I'm Vivi, so let me walk you through what you are going to learn throughout this session. And after you finish reading the story map and drop down your thoughts and ideas from the questions, let's have a little recap. And I will randomly pick students or volunteers to answer the following 3 questions. First, which four countries did the foreigners compare with Taiwan? Second, according to the second video, what are the main sources of pollution? Third, according to the second video, what are the ways to improve air quality? After the Q&A part, we will move on to group discussion for about 30 minutes. Here we will divide you into groups, and please type your group's answers in Padlet and we will discuss the question one by one. For Padlet discussion 1, first we will divide it into 2 main parts. The first one is the upper questions. For example, why suddenly do we need to create a set of lists to tell everybody what we should improve and what is the motivation behind? Second, how do you or whoever implements SDGs know they are on the right track? What should they do to tell everybody we are following the rules? Third, how is the issue air pollution related to SDGs? Fourth, why are these SDGs related to air pollution? Are there any examples? And the second part are, where do you find the most severe air pollution outside Taiwan? Second, what are the solutions to air pollution? You can think of some solutions by yourself. Next, we will have a short reading activity for everyone individually. And after you finish reading the article, please answer the following questions and we will check the answers together. Lastly, we will move on to our final group discussion on Padlet about what are the measures your group thinks can improve the air quality in Taiwan. For the second Padlet discussion part, we would like you to answer in groups. And please come up with at least 3 ideas. It can be measures implemented in Taiwan or the ones your group drafts out. And please type in groups as previous Padlet discussion. Before we end today's session, we would like everyone to fill out the after-class short quiz and assessment on Google Forms. And note that for short question answers, please at least give us 3 to 5 sentences. And that's all for today. Thank you all for joining our session.